Alright, so right now is nighttime outside, and this is how my garage looks. I know it's a mess, guys, but still trying to fix it. This is only with one light bulb, which is an LED. I know it's a mess, it's still a work in progress, but this is how it looks. So I'm going to try to add more light. All right, this is what I bought so far. 5 of this, 1, 2, 3, 4. I already put one right there just to test. And I bought this ones, the lamp holders. Lamp holder, 5 of them. I bought the LED lights. I bought 4 of this, and no, what was it? Yeah, 4 and 4 of this. These are much brighter. And I'm gonna put a price. I forgot how much I paid for that. I think I have the receipt here. All right, this is the receipt. So I paid $62 for everything. 63. So out of this, and pretty much everything you see here, and also that one right there. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to feed power from this light bulb, from this white cable. I'm going to add more cable and throw one over there. I'm gonna put another one over here, and then another one around here, another one right here, and right here. Because as you can see, it's pretty dark. I mean, it's enough light, but I want it to have more light so it can be a really bright garage. So that's what I'm going to do. All right, now I'm installing this ones. Is where you put on the 2x4. And this ones, once you install it, you can either run the wire from here or here, or here, or also here. So whichever way you're going to put it, you can just push this and this will break, so you can run the cable from there. So all right, I'm going to put this one. Oh, and it's really easy. You put this on the 2x4, and then you just hit it with the hammer, and this is the nails are gonna come out, so it can stay on the 2x4. I'm sorry, that's not a 2x4 on the beam. I also took measurements, and it's going to be 34 inches. All right. So far so good. I already installed this one, that one over there, that one in the middle, the side, and that one. Right. So now we have to run the cable, turn off the light, and turn off the breaker. I don't want to get myself electrocuted. And if you guys are doing something similar, it's always best to turn on the breaker, turn off the light, and if possible, use gloves, but that's your decision. But yeah, please be careful. Don't get electrocuted. This is really dangerous stuff. All right, now we're going to use the cable, this one, so we can run electricity. Let me just open this guy. And the way this cable goes, show you. All right, so we have 2 colors here. We have the silver one and we have the brass color. So these are the cables we're going to run. The black one, which is this one right here, is gonna go connected to this one, the brass color one. And then the white cable goes connected to the silver one. So that's how we're going to run it too. So really important, remember the black one goes to the brass color and the white one goes to the silver one. All right, we can cut open this guy right here. these 3 cables. In this case, we're not going to be using the copper one because we are installing plastic ones, so we don't need the copper one. If the light you're going to install has like a little green connector or one that's specifically for ground or like copper or whatever, then you can install this one. But in this ones, you don't need it. All right, so I'm going to use the existing light that I have in this one. So in this case, I'm going to add the white wire, which I have over there. I'm gonna add it to this white wire and the black to the black, and then run it to that guy over there. So I'm going to do that. Again, guys, please be very careful. Make sure that the switch is off, and it's way better to turn off the breaker just to make sure that you don't get yourself electrocuted. So I'm going to measure how much cable I need so I can run it over there and so it can look good and not make a mess. All right, I need a total of 9.5 feet so I can add the power to the first box. So we got 9.5 feet. Be careful while you're using this, you can cut yourself. All right, I have a lot of tools in my garage, but I don't have the tool to open these cables up. So in this case, I'm just going to be using the sharp blade, this one, and cut open like this. It's better if you use the right equipment, but I don't want to go to Walmart and buy one, so I'm just gonna do it like this. Okay, we got that side. Yeah, we got that side. We are going to do the same on the other side. All right, so remember the black one, which is this one, goes connected to this one, the brass color one. So let me just give it the right angle, right there. And then we can use a Phillips screwdriver to tie this up, but I'm not gonna do it yet. I'm going to install the cables first, and then I'm going to install this. I'm just doing this to show you. Then the white one goes connected to this one right here. And since I'm going to add more cables to fit the other ports, I'm going to use another black cable here and then the other white here, so I can throw the cable from this port to that port over there. All right, I added this cable. So like I said, black with black, white with white, and now I'm gonna run this cable to the other one over there. All right, now to connect this one. All right, so that cable is done already, that connection. I'm just going to put a light bulb and turn it on just to see if it's working so far. 3, 2, 1. Yay! Good so far. Alright, now I'm going to run a cable from this one to this one right here, and so on and so forth. Alright guys, moment of truth. Everything is installed already. Now I'm gonna turn on the lights. Wow. Wow, it looks amazing. Oh, perfect. Perfect, just what I needed. There, now I can see everything. Wow, this looks amazing. Perfect, perfect. Okay, let me turn off this one. And let me turn off this one. Yeah, this looks perfect. Amazing. I still have to screw in all the light holder. I still have to screw it all the way in. But you can see the connection. So this is the cable that connects to this one, and then from this one I run a cable to that one, from that one to that one, from that one to this one, from this one to this one, from this one to that one. And they're all LEDs. So that's perfect. Oh, and the cable, I'm gonna hide it. I have to staple it on the wood behind here so you won't be able to see it, and it can look a little bit better. But yeah, I mean, so far this is exactly what I needed. I needed light at my garage. So there you have it, guys. Like I said, I'm super happy the way it turned out to be, and I really hope this video helped you, or I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please give a big thumbs up down below. Leave a comment, let me know what you think about my garage. I know it's still a work in progress. I built this table myself. I built that table myself. You can search my account, my YouTube channel, if you want to see how I build it. But yeah, so far I like it. I like how it looks. Alright guys, I want to give you guys a before and after. So this is how it looked with only one light on, the one I used to have already. So I'm gonna show you how it looks with all the 6 lights. Pretty amazing, huh? Thanks for watching, guys. Please, like I said, comment down below, let me know what you think. As always, peace.